Alright, thanks so much for viewing my channel. In this video today we'll be looking at construction of cycloid. Construction of cycloid. A cycloid is the path that is traced by a point on the circumference of a circle as it rolls along a straight line. So we have an example here. We are told to trace the locus of a point P on the circumference of a circle with radius 20 mm as it rolls on the straight line. So that tells us that it's a cycloid we are to construct, because like I said, cycloid is a path traced by a point on the circumference of a circle as it rolls along a straight line. So the first thing I will do is to draw. I'm going to draw the circle radius 20 mm. So we're given circle radius 20 mm, so I'm going to take radius 20, okay, because the question specifically say radius 20 mm. It's not saying diameter. If it were to be diameter, I'm going to have it, but it's radius, so this is 20. Okay, just before we do that, let's draw our horizontal line. Let's draw that this way. Okay, we have that way. Let's have a point. Move this down a little. Okay, where the cycloid will, where the circle will begin from. So we have this. Okay, so I have the radius now of 20. Okay, still intact. So I'm going to draw a circle this way. So I have the circle drawn that way. I'm going to be dividing that into 12 now. I will divide the circle into 12. So it's the same radius. So you can start from here. Okay. All right. This way. Okay. So let's call this side. Let's give this side 0, 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So from here now, we are going to join them. 5 and 11, passing through the center. So you have this, you have this, you have this, then we have this. So the next thing we are going to do now, I'm going to draw from the base, that is from 0 there. I'm going to draw a base like this. Okay, so we have this. So the next thing we are going to do, okay, pick the circumference of the circle, this circumference of this circle like this. Okay, we pick the circumference, then we are going to be spreading out. We'll spread the circumference out 12 times. So starting with this 0. Okay, so we have this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so we're going to draw verticals. Okay, let me number them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to be drawing the verticals, the perpendicular lines. Okay, sure my T-square is properly fixed. Okay, so you have this, then move to 2, move like that until we get to 12, like that, and then 12. All right, so what we are doing, the idea behind this is that this cycle is to move, rotate on this single line, on this straight line. Okay, like more or less saying that cycloid is a rolling cycle along a straight line. Okay, now with this, now you will see this is 0, which has this center for this cycle, so let's call this C0. That is the cycle center 0. Okay, this is 1, so this point here, let's give this C1, cycle center C1. So this is going to have a circle. I will draw that later. So let's call this C2, cycle center C2, center 2, C3, like that, until we get to 12, C11, and then C12. So what are we going to do now? We are going to be picking the radius of the circle we use for the original cycle center 0. Okay, this radius of the circle, okay, which we are going to be using now. We are going to be using that to draw 12 complete circle, because the circle is rolling along this straight line, you can see. So you draw another circle this way, be a straight line, you can see. Then go to C2, we draw another circle. You can see that all the circles are touching the base. Oh, sorry for that, let me remove that. Looking for my eraser now. So you have this. Okay, so I'll take C2 again. Oh, sorry, this pencil, this compass is giving me issue, so let me adjust it. So let's go back to C2 now. I've adjusted the compass, so we have this now. Okay, then C3, so with this radius, let me pick the radius again. Okay, so we have this, then C4, we are using same cycle radius until you get to 12, C9. Okay, then C10, C11, C12. Okay, so you can see the cycle rolling like that until it completely rolls on the circumference. Okay, up to C12. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing now, just like for helix, okay, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Okay, let me draw this way, 1 and 11 this way. So draw horizontal line across like this. Okay, then go to 2 and 10, 2 and 10, draw horizontal. Then 3 and 9 is there already. Then we move to 4 and 8. 4 and 8, yes, draw across this way. Then 5 and 7. 5 and 7, draw across that way. Then finally 6, okay, which is going to be touching the whole circles. Okay, all right, so you have this way, so you can see like that. We've drawn that. Now let's trace out our points. Now I will need you to pay attention very well here. Okay, just take a look at it. Let your eyes be fixed on it as I'm doing it now. So you can see this is the first circle, I mean the circle with center 0. Okay, at this point we have 0 here, so start here and terminate at this 12 here. Okay, so the next one now is this. So you can see these circles 1, C1, this is a circle, this is the first circle. Okay, where it meets this line 1, this line 1, you can see this line 1, trace it where the circumference intercepts with this horizontal line. Let's put it like that. Okay, you can see this is the point. Okay, now let's take a look at 2, circle 2, this is circle 2, this circle 1, 0. Okay, this circle 1, don't forget this circle 1, this circle 2 now with this center, this is the center, which draw this circle. So trace it until you get the circumference coincides or intersect with this horizontal. So this is the point. Okay, you can see. Let's look at circle center 3 now. This is 1. You can, if you are confused, you can go back and count. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3. So just follow the circumference. So this is 3. Okay, not this here, please. This is 3. Then take 4. This is 4, where it coincides. It's very simple to locate the point. So this is 4. Then this is 5. Follow like that. So it coincides at this point. This is 5. Okay, I hope you can see. Then 6. This is 6. The next one obviously is going to be 6. So where it coincides with this line, horizontal line, 6. Okay, you can see that now. Next one is 7. 7 will come this way. So where, just follow the circumference of the circle. Let your eyes be fixed on it, and where it coincides with 7. So this is it, coincide with this horizontal line. 7 is very easy. Okay, next one is 8. This is 8. Just follow like that, where it coincides with this 8 here. You can see. Okay, you need to be careful. Just be at alert when you are doing that. Okay, this is 9 now until we get to 12. 9. So this is 9. Okay, this is 9. This parallel line 9. Okay, let's assume now I'm confused. I want to go back again so that we know where to get the next point. Just start all over again. This is 1, 2. Don't forget I stop at 9. So it means I want to get the circles 10 now. So just go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. So just trace it now. Trace it. So this will be my 10 line. This is 10. Okay, this is 10. Okay, now I need 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11. Trace it like that. So where it means this. Okay, so 11. Okay, so next one is 12. This is 12, which of course is going to go like this, which stop here. I hope you can see that now. Okay, so the cycloid goes this way. Okay, until it terminates on this at this 12. This is 11 and at that 12. So we are going to be joining this curve together now. So to draw that, let me take note of this turning point now first. Okay, you can use any flexible curve or any curve, French curve, broom, or flexible ruler. So we have that point now, okay, which is gonna go like this. Go this way, as you can see that. Then this part as well. Of this, then we have this. Okay, so we have our points, okay, drawn out. So this is our cycloid. So we can get the circumference of the cycloid now. So I'll take the circumference now. So this will be giving us, so if we read this now this way, so this is 13.5678, 13.8. So circumference equals to 138 mm. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for staying tuned to the channel. God bless you. See you in my next video.